everyone, welcome to CUET Current Affair episode. Let's start today's episode.
First question is, which organization simultaneously launched two fast patrol vessels, Adamya and Akshar? Indian Army, Indian Coast Guard, Indian Navy or Border Security Force? The correct answer is option B, Indian Coast Guard. The Indian Coast Guard launched the FPVs Adamya and Akshar built by Goa Shipyard Limited to enhance its operational capabilities. Next question, Justice K.S. Puttaswamy was the petitioner in which landmark Supreme Court case? Right to education, right to equality, right to privacy or right to freedom? The correct answer is option C, right to privacy. Justice K.S. Puttaswamy was the petitioner in the case that led the Supreme Court to declare privacy as a fundamental right under the Indian Constitution. Next question, where is the third edition of the Indian Navy's Naval Innovation and Indigenization Seminar Swavlamban 2024 being held? New Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai or Kolkata? The correct answer is option A, New Delhi. Swavlamban 2024 is taking place in New Delhi at Bharat Mandapam, focusing on indigenization efforts by the Indian Navy. What principle does the Swachh Diwali Shubh Diwali campaign emphasize regarding waste management? Increase waste production, promote single-use plastics, reduce, reuse, recycle or discard all waste? The correct answer is option C, reduce, reuse, recycle or 3R. The campaign emphasizes the principles of 3R, that is reduce, reuse, recycle, encouraging citizens to manage waste responsibly and transform it into wealth. Next question, how far is the newly discovered planet GJ436c from the Earth? 10 light years away, 100 light years away, 50 light years away or 30 light years away? The correct answer is option D, 30 light years away. The planet is located approximately 30 light years away from the Earth, orbiting a star in the constellation Leo. Next question, what does 1 carbon credit represent? 1 kilogram of carbon dioxide emissions, 1 metric ton of carbon dioxide emissions, 1 cubic meter of carbon dioxide emissions or 1 liter of carbon dioxide emissions? The correct answer is option B, 1 metric ton of carbon dioxide emissions. 1 carbon credit allows the emission of 1 metric ton of carbon dioxide or its equivalent in other greenhouse gases, serving as a measure for trading and offsetting emissions. Next question, which organization developed the Vajra shot anti-drone gun? Indian Space Research Organization, Defense Research and Development Organization, Big Bang Boom Solutions or Hindustan Aeronautics Limited? The correct answer is option C, Big Bang Boom Solutions. The Vajra shot was developed by Big Bang Boom Solutions, showcasing India's focus on indigenous defense technologies. Next question, which economic indicator is often associated with cyclical slowdowns? Increased consumer spending, rising stock market indices, declining GDP growth rates or decreasing unemployment rates? The correct answer is option C, declining GDP growth rates. Cyclical slowdowns are typically characterized by declining GDP growth rates, indicating a reduction in economic activity and productivity. Next question, what specific tardigrade protein has been identified as playing a role in radiation resistance? DNA damage suppressor, TDR1, RAD51 or PCNA? The correct answer is option A, DSUP, that is DNA damage suppressor. The DSUP protein is known for its role in protecting tardigrade DNA from damage and is one of the key factors contributing to their resilience against high levels of radiation. Last question, recently which institute was inaugurated as India's first biomanufacturing institute? Indian Biotech Institute, Center for Bioresearch, National Institute of Bioengineering or BRIC, National Agri-Food Biomanufacturing Institute? The correct answer is option D, BRIC, National Agri-Food Biomanufacturing Institute, that is NABI. Dr. Jitendra Singh inaugurated BRIC NABI, focusing on transforming India's agri-food sector through advanced biotechnology. Now is the time for practice question. Who made history by winning the Miss Grand International 2024 title? Christine Julienne Opiaza, Rachel Gupta, Luciana Fuster or Priyanka Chopra? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.